Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've been enjoying this video tribute to Juneteenth. Now, Juneteenth, in case you don't know, is now a national holiday celebrated on June 19th, but it began in Texas in 1865 when the enslaved people of Texas found out that they had been emancipated in 1862 by the Emancipation Proclamation, and yes, it took 3 years. They did not know that they were free. Also, the colors I chose of black, green, and gold, they are the colors of the African National Congress, and each of the colors represents something. Black is for the people, the green is for the land, and the gold is for the wealth. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you'll decide to subscribe today. Also visit my other channels, the Glam Decor channel and DIY Design by CCW. Thank you again for watching, and have a wonderful day or wonderful night. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.